I'll make it simple for you to locate the ideal drone. I'll be analyzing the top 5 drones available today, regardless of the situation. You may fly recreationally, operate a personal drone, or fall anywhere in between. In this video, I'll show you the ideal drone. So keep checking for all the connections. The most affordable costs for all the things listed. The products featured in this video are listed below in the description. Please watch the entire video because the items are not presented in any particular order, so that you start off without missing anything. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, which I own, is the greatest drone for beginners in my opinion. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, in my opinion, is the ideal drone for beginners. It's a small drone with a good camera, effective object avoidance, and a few helpful automated flight modes to assist new pilots on their initial flights. The Mini 3 is for people who wish to spend an extra dollar on a top-notch quadricopter that can also capture breathtaking footage of their travels or landscapes. Due to the numerous newcomer-friendly functionalities, it's perfect for beginners. The tri-directional obstacle detecting is the first feature that new users will find particularly helpful. If you have that concern, on your first flight, you're going to wreck your Mini 3. Do not fret, because the drone's obstacle-avoiding sensors are incredible and completely reliable. The three-way obstruction avoidance collaborates with APAS 4.0. Sophisticated automatic pilot technology that automatically shuts down the drone. The Mini 3 Pro has some great automated flight modes to shoot movie-grade footage even if you run into an obstruction, and it avoids it on its own. If you are a novice, for example, Quick Shot and Focus Track Sweep both make it simple to capture dynamic videos. It enables you to track subjects independently while doing so. When it comes to picture and video quality, you fly the drone. The 12.1 megapixel, 1.3-inch sensor on the Mini 3 does not let down. Incredibly good for a drone at this budget, it can take images with a remarkable 48 megapixel resolution. The Mini 3's modest weight and ability to record high-quality video in 4K resolution puts it on par with much more expensive drones. But the Mavic 3 is a better option if you want professional-level camera quality. The Mini 3 Pro from DJI is small and light. Additionally, the drone weighs less than 250 grams, making it the ideal choice for travelers. It can be flown without a formal registration. You won't be let down with the Mini 3 Pro. In order to launch your drone, next, embark on a journey with a portable camera of the highest quality and features designed for beginners. My top pick for the best drone for most people is the DJI Air 2s. So, if you're looking for the ideal drone for the majority of folks, with its incredible camera, excellent portability, and a variety of useful flight modes, the DJI Air 2s is difficult to beat from a design standpoint. The DJI Air 2s resembles its predecessors greatly in both appearance and feel, but in contrast to the Mini 3. Since it weighs more than 250 grams, you must formally register this quadcopter before using it. The Air 2s has incredibly precise anti-collision features that make it easy to fly even for a first-time user. On top of that, there are automated photo and video modes to make your footage look like it was professionally shot, even though it is not as beginner-friendly as the Mini 3 and is more for advanced drone flyers. Even if you're not an expert drone photographer or cameraman, there are some fun shooting options available, such boomerang, circle, and rocket. Additionally, a focus track option allows you to automatically follow people while taking a master photo. It causes the drone to do spectacular maneuvers around a chosen target for incredible footage now with the camera. The visual and video quality of the Air 2s is astounding and unmatched. The greatest when it comes to consumer drones, it sports a 20 megapixel 1-inch sensor that permits you should record your favorite moments in high-quality video by taking bright, clear, and colorful photographs of them. The Air 2s has a maximum resolution of 5.4K at 30 frames per second, which is astounding for a drone this size. If you want to avoid breaking and are an aspiring professional videographer, the Air 2s is the ideal choice if you want a professional drone. With only 31 minutes of total flying time on a full charge, the battery on the 2s isn't amazing, but that is to be expected for a drone with this video and image quality. The third drone on the list is the beautiful DJI Air 2s, a compact, lightweight quadcopter with excellent video and image quality. The DJI Mavic 3 is on the list. The drone I think is the best overall, has amazing video quality, great safety features, and a longer battery life. Even while the DJI Mavic 3 is currently the finest drone overall, there are undoubtedly better drones out there. However, the cost of the Mavic 3 will double, triple, or perhaps quadruple, while only providing slight improvements. The Mini 3 Pro is probably a better choice if you're looking for a great drone that won't weigh you down in your backpack, because the Mavic 3's design is very simple, despite the fact that the drone being quite compact when it comes to weight. The Mavic 3 weighs 899 grams, making it not the most portable drone to carry around. Although novices could still use the Mavic 3 due to its highly responsive controls, I believe there are more suitable options available for less money, such as the Mini 3 Pro or Mini 2. Flying the Mavic 3 is an adrenaline rush because the quadcopter is very responsive and best suited for more experienced pilots rather than beginners. With numerous vision sensors for obstacle detection, return to home feature, and the new APAS 5.0 for obstacle avoidance video and image quality, the Mavic 3 is not only extremely strong but also wonderfully safe. With the drone's dual Hasselblad cameras and its primary 20-pixel for third CMOS sensor, you'll be able to take stunning photos of your travels or landscapes. The Mavic 3's video quality is likewise excellent, and the inebriated shoot 4K films that are vibrant and clear. So the Mavic 3 is the drone to acquire if you're a professional cameraman or photographer searching for innovative methods to shoot footage. Also shockingly good for a drone is the battery. This large and strong. In actuality, the Mavic 3 can fly for 44 minutes without recharging. Despite the Mavic 3's incredible potential, it is not inexpensive. The hefty price of this quadcopter is its primary flaw. However, it is completely worthwhile. The Mavic 3 is a terrific device and, possibly, the best drone overall if you're seeking for professional-level camera quality. Excellent battery life and strong camera sensor flying characteristics. If you're interested in current costs for any of the specified things, check out the links below for the most recent product pricing updates, with promotions and general price reductions practically every day. Therefore, check the description to discover the most recent information. Please support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and then subscribing if you found it useful. The DJI Mini 2 is first on my list. The drone I think is the greatest by right now. If you're new to drones and don't want to spend a lot of money on your first quadcopter, check out these options. The DJI Mini 2 is incredibly feature-rich and reasonably priced. The Tiny 2 weighs only 249 grams and is exceptionally compact. Hence, registration is not necessary. The Mini 2's compactness makes the drone easy for beginners to fly, who, unlike the Mini 3 Pro, love to travel and want stunning footage to show friends and family. Obstacle avoiding sensors are not present on the sides, front, or back of the Mini 2. This might be the deciding factor. If you're a novice and want to use this drone in environments with lots of obstacles, because the takeoff and landing buttons on the Tiny 2 controller automatically activate the first few times, it is perfect for beginners. After a few trials and immediately out of the box, you'll try to fly the drone. Most likely, you won't require them anymore. For individuals who are unsure about their ability to fly, it is a wonderful complement. In terms of the caliber of the camera, with its 23-megapixel 1.5-inch CMOS sensors, the Mini 2 has excellent photo and video capabilities for a cheap drone. The Mini 2 is capable of taking clear, high-quality pictures and videos. For a drone with such a small sensor, the results are amazing and video resolution can reach 4K. The Mini 2 won't do for you if you're a professional videographer or photographer. However, the Mini 2 is the greatest drone for the money if you're a casual traveler who just wants cool footage to display thanks to its outstanding camera quality, lightweight design, and reasonable price point. The DJI Avata is the last drone on my list. The best first-person drone, in my opinion. Due to its first-person view mode, the DJI Avata stands out among other drones as one of the most distinctive models available. Owing to the goggles, right out of the box, it has a feature that enables first-person viewing. Flying with the Avada makes you feel like an eagle rushing through the heavens, and the entire experience is quite spectacular. If you want to have a unique experience, go there. The Avada is the closest thing to what it feels like to soar through the air like a bird. You may now achieve that vibe in terms of design. It is not a big drone, the Avada. However, and for obvious reasons, it is not foldable. Features for obstacle detection are not compatible with the Avada. It would completely ruin the first-time flyer's experience. DJI made the decision to equip as a result. The quadcopter with protective rings made of rubber. The Avada is quite durable. The drone will probably crash a few times during the FPV mode testing, due to its FPV mode and lack of obstacle-avoiding sensors. On top of the unique FPV experience, I wouldn't suggest the Avada to beginners because there are much better options available, such as the Mini 3 Pro. The Avada boasts a shockingly good camera that can capture amazing films at 4K quality and 60 frames per second. The 48-megapixel sensor produces stunning images as well. The ISO range for the camera is 100 to 6400. However, it also provides manual settings for experts. Despite the fact that the Avada boasts a fantastic camera and a distinctive first-person experience. Additionally, it's pretty costly. However, I believe that the first-person perspective alone is priceless. If you've always wished you could fly like a bird, the Avada is the closest object through the clouds. You'll experience that, and the stunning footage the Avada allows you to capture makes this drone a must-have. Please like this video if you enjoyed it or learned something from it. Links are listed in the description. That's all till next time. Take a look at the most recent pricing for all the items covered in this video.